In this session, let's discuss about enhancement points. Unlike your other enhancements like your custom exits, bodies or BTEs, these enhancement points do not really depend on the parameter interface. They are maintained between enhancement and end enhancement. So if you actually open any program for which you want to implement these enhancement points, let's say I want to go to this MRKO transaction, and if I go to the program, if you look at the code, if you notice this enhancement, end enhancement, then that is your enhancement point. So anywhere you see this enhancement point in your program, then you can enhance it at that location to add your custom code. So in most of the standard SAP programs, you'll find this enhancements. So wherever you find that enhancement, you can add your code. So earlier we modified this program to disable that radio button, where I disabled it by writing the code. But for that I had to modify it. You can also do that by implementing an enhancement point. Since this program has different enhancement points, again there are two types of enhancement points. One is static and the other is dynamic. So if you don't see the static at the end, that is a dynamic enhancement point. In static enhancement point, you can only do data declarations, whereas in a dynamic enhancement point, you can also write your code. Okay. So to find an enhancement point, all you have to do is open the standard program and see if they have given any enhancement points in the code. And if they have given any enhancement point, then to implement it, click on this enhance button and right click on this enhancement point. If you want to, as I said, if you want to simply do data declarations, you can implement under static. So like here, if you see, they have maintained this data declaration and field symbols under static, and they've also maintained this initialization event. And if you want to write code like this, then you have to implement it under the dynamic enhancement point. So right click on this dynamic enhancement point, click on enhancement operations, create implementation. So on this screen, click on this create button and let's say zdemo underscore enhancement point implementation. Click OK. And here you can write your code. If you see, they've already maintained the initialization event, so my code will be executed under that event only. So I'll say loop at screen if screen name equals to, we have already written the code when we modified it, so the screen field name is PA underscore XABR. Screen input equals to 0, modify screen. And to activate it, click on this activate enhancements. So like that, you can add your code directly in the program using this enhancement points. But it looks as if this code is added directly in the program, but if you actually see this enhancement, the standard program belongs to the standard package. But if you look at my enhancement, if I click on go to object directory entry, it is part of my package, my custom package. The code I've added is not added to the standard SAP package. It belongs to my custom package. So when you upgrade your systems, your changes will not be lost because they are actually source code plugins. So there's a plugin that is inserted into the main program, and your plugin exists in your custom package. So whatever objects that belong to your custom package will not be lost when you upgrade the system, right? So it looks as if you have added the code, and that code also has access to all the data that is available till that point in the program flow, all the global data. But whatever implementation you have maintained it in your custom package. So your changes will not be lost. And all the enhancement we have discussed so far, including these enhancement points, are explicit enhancements. That means SAP has to provide you this enhancement. So to even implement this enhancement point, SAP should provide these enhancement points in the standard SAP program. Only then I can implement them. If SAP did not provide this enhancement point, there is no way I can implement that in this program, right? So even for user exits, SAP has to provide a perform statement in the main program. Only then you can write the code in the subroutine. For customer exits, SAP has to call that function module. For bodies also, SAP has to call that body in the standard SAP program. Only then you can maintain the implementation. So all these are explicit enhancements where SAP has to explicitly provide those enhancements. We also have something called implicit enhancements. These implicit enhancements exist in every program. They exist between these types declaration. So between this begin of, end of, at the end of this types declaration, you have an implicit enhancement. So if you want to extend this structure to add your extra fields, you can do that by using these implicit enhancements. Similarly, at the beginning and end of your subroutines or function modules, you have this implicit enhancements. To see these implicit enhancements, you can right click enhancement operations and select this show implicit enhancement options. Then wherever you see this line, that is your implicit enhancement. So we have this at the beginning of the form statement and at the end of the form statement. And similarly, if you look at these type declarations, you'll notice at the end of this type declarations you have this implicit enhancements. Right? So to implement this implicit enhancement, again you can right click here, click on enhancement operations, create implementation. It will ask whether you want to simply maintain some data declaration or code. If you simply want to do some data declaration, select this, otherwise click on code and you can select one of the existing or you can create a new implementation also. So let's say the demo implicit enhancement. And if you notice, when I'm maintaining this, it is asking me to save it in my own custom package. So even these changes will not be lost. So here you can write your code. So whatever you want to do at the end of this function call, you can write it to enhance it. Once you maintain it, click activate. So these implicit enhancements are by default available in every program. At the end of your types declaration, at the beginning and end of subroutines, at the beginning and end of function modules, etc. So in any program, simply click on this enhancement button, that circle button, this button that you see, and then right click, select enhancement operations, show implicit enhancement options, and then it will display the positions where you can add your implicit enhancements by this double quotes. Okay, so that's your enhancement points. So with this, we conclude the topic on enhancements. Enhancements are more for people with some experience in ABAP, because you really need to spend some time with the SAP system, understand various applications, understand how standard SAP programs work, how SAP writes the code, understand the business requirements. So you need to have some exposure and experience before you can be comfortably working on these enhancements. But these are the basic things. The challenging part is always finding the right enhancement. Once you find the right enhancement, implementing is very easy. Okay, so as you spend more time and as you gain more experience, you'll be more aware of these enhancements. So you'll be able to easily find existing enhancements. Okay, so as a beginner, don't worry if this topic is a bit overwhelming or if you're not really confident, because it takes time. But as I said, the good thing is whenever you want to find an enhancement, you can also search in Google. So that way you should be able to get some hints about which enhancements are available for your requirement and what you can implement. But unfortunately, the ABAP community is not that great, so you may not always find the answers, but most of the times, at least for the majority of the common enhancements that are implemented by many companies, you should be able to find these enhancements even if you search in Google. Otherwise, you can use these techniques I've shown you to find these enhancements and spend some time, research on them and figure out. Don't expect this to be easy. If you are given 3 days time to work on one enhancement, then you'll be spending 2.5 days of your time only in finding the right enhancement and testing to make sure that that is the enhancement you should be implementing. And you just need half a day to implement it once you find it. But 80% of your time will go in just finding the suitable enhancement to achieve your customization. Okay, so that's about these enhancements. See you in the next session.